Okay, we're on our Bluehost account here, and what I want to do is install Opencart e-commerce system right from scratch, which is the best way you get the most modern version. So I'll go to the website and download the zip file. That's the first feature. Now I'll go into my public directory here, and I'm going to install it with nothing in the public directory. I'm going to install it right in the root. So I'll upload the file. Junk here. Okay, I'm going to upload the file, which I have right here. Latest version. Currently, it doesn't matter on the version, but I would like to install the latest version. That's the best. Okay. I'm going to speed this part up here. Okay, we got that in. Upload. We'll go to our directory here, refresh our view. And what we're going to do is extract that file into that root directory. Okay, all the files are there. Now what we'll do is I'm just going to get rid of this stuff here. Go into my directory there. When it expanded, it created an upload directory. Well, I don't want my store in there. I want my store right in the root. So I'll go into there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move those files into my root directory there. So I go into my root directory, now I got the files. Now I've got to do a couple of things here before I install it. I'm going to change two file names. And one is in the admin, same file name. Okay, so my demo store, the URL to it is, I'm just going to run the demo store itself, is store122.com. And now it's going to come up the license agreement. Okay, yeah, you can read through that if you want. And then what's going to happen is this screen comes up. Now, if I had not changed those two files, it would be red right here. I wouldn't be able to proceed. Now I'll proceed to the next step. Now this is where you need to know your database information. And I'll have that. That's in the previous video. So I have a username, password, which is free19. And again, this is a temporary site, so I'm not too worried about sharing my passwords with that. And the database. That is number 2 is what it is, okay? So that's all good. I'm going to just put a temporary password in there, pass. I'll put my email in there. Go to install. It's installed. Log into my system. Now it wants me to store some of this extra files here outside the installation. And you just want to keep an eye that you save that over time. You don't delete it a couple months from now and wonder why your system doesn't work. Do not save. Do not delete. We'll just save it in there. Okay. Now I can go to my store. My store's up. Store122.com. And if you have some issue with your browser, you may have to, one thing that has come up once in a while is clear your browser data, but it should go straight through if everything's working properly. And that's it. That's simple. Check out my other videos and check out my website there, which is on the screen, if you got any other questions or have any other issues or problems installing that. Thank you very much.